What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a brand new week, brand new Monday. We have a truck from Central Florida, it looks like. Customer's name is Cody. He brought me a 2025 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. We're doing the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series lift kit, some 22-inch G21 replica wheels in the gloss black, and some 37-inch Toyo MT tires. This is going to be an old classic video for me with the G21s. It's been a couple of weeks since I don't know. It's been a week since I've thrown one together, but I like this setup. It's a good everyday driving setup, and Cody's a really nice guy. I couldn't be happier to do it for him. So stay tuned for the process and check out the interior of this truck. That Denali Ultimate's nice. Every time I get in one, it just feels like I'm not there yet in life to be able to have a nice interior like that. One day maybe I will. One day I'll put on some clean clothes and some button downs or something like that and drive around in a Denali Ultimate. But not now. I'm in the tire shop outfit, and we need some black leather interior in my truck. So stay tuned for the process. We're about to get started now. All right, here's our truck. The lighting is absolutely horrible right now, but ready to get started on it. He has the color match flares, so this one's gonna be nice. Stay tuned. We're about to pull it in right now.
Well, Garrett, I'm not going to come back. Big money.
So here we are back in the truck. They got this Denali Ultimate 2500 finished up. Everything looks great on the truck. I love the way the wheels look on it. The Toyo MT tires look nice and aggressive. I'm about to get out of this truck and show you what it looks like, and then I'll put a quote at the end of this clip so you guys can see what it cost. I appreciate you watching. All right, so here's our amazing Denali Ultimate 2500 truck. We have 37 1350/22 Toyo Open Country MT tires on this one, with the 22-inch G21 replica gloss black wheels. These are the ones that we sell here that are 22-inch, and we use the factory Denali cap back in that wheel. It pops right in. Good thing about the Cognito 4-inch kit is that it has a spindle that is a little bit wider than what McGoy's is, so it allows 37 1350 tires on the factory 20-inch wheels. There's no trimming necessary to the mud flap on this. We did round the front bumper off a little bit right here to make everything clear, but everything clears perfectly. There's our 4-inch Cognito cross member right there. It is set at the 4-inch mark. You can set it up to 6. This is our axle angle on this kit. It's very, very nice. It's a little bit better than what the axle angle was from the factory. The performance kit from Cognito comes with their upper control arms right here, and then the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks, which is a very, very nice upgrade. This kit also comes with a steering upgrade. It's a steering brace for your idler arm and your pivot arm. If you can see, there's your, looks like the idler arm brace there, and then across the way, there's the pivot arm brace, if you can see it down there. But really nice upgrade for these trucks. Overall stance of this truck is amazing. The tires don't stick out of the fender, everything tucks. The truck does turn all the way. It doesn't rub on anything. I just drove it up here myself. I really like the way this truck turned out. Like I said in the last clip, I'll put a quote for this job after this clip so you can see what it would cost to get yours done like this. I want to say I appreciate my customer for driving out here to get this done today. The phone number here is 678-994-9180. If you guys have any questions, my name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.